Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do an unboxing of Logitech MX Master 3, the newest MX Master series as of now. This MX Master is the third edition of the MX Master series and was initially released on September 2019. Now, I'm gonna start unboxing the mouse. When you first open the box, you'll see the mouse right away. In the bottom of the box, you will see a small box which contains a cable for charging as well as the manuals of the mouse. Actually, in here, there is supposed to be the USB receiver in case the Bluetooth option is not available for use. But mine is plugged into my other laptop over 3000 miles away, so I'll just show you what it looks like by attaching a picture of it to the video. The difference between the previous MX Master, which is the MX Master 2S, and the 3 is quite enormous. Firstly, from the design, the MX Master 3 has a fresh new look. In the previous series, the shape of the front of the mouse is pointed, whereas in this series, the shape is more ergonomic and enhanced for right-handed users. The placement of the side button has also been moved into a more natural position from this side to this side. Overall, this mouse has 7 clickable buttons with customizable features that can be modified through the Logitech Options software. In this new series, there is also an additional feature called the Flow Control that allows its users to control multiple computers with a single mouse by simply moving the cursor to the edge of the screen. Lastly, the USB-C quick charging can power the mouse for 3 hours of use just from a minute of charging. And on a full charge, it can power the mouse for up to 70 days. To wrap up this video, the Logitech MX Master 3 comes with 2 color options, the Graphite and Mid-Grey colors, and has a retail price of 169.95 Australian dollars. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you on my next video.